Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to provide a revision lecture of grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, today we are going to start the revision of unit number 33 and unit number 19, which is going to appear in your unit test. First of all, I would like to tell you the very first Roman in your unit test is give definitions. So, the definitions which are given in the textbook, you have to write the same in your unit test. And the example, each which is written in the main question, that is, you need to write the whole sentence. If the question is about question tag, so don't only just write isn't it, wasn't it, don't write that. You have to write the full statement. In the same way, if the definition is about the prepositions, don't just write in, at, on. You have to write full sentence. The cat is on the mat. So here, such type of example will be acceptable. Now let's see the revision of unit number 33. Words easily confused. In English, there are many words that resemble other words in spelling or pronunciation but have entirely different meaning and uses. So many words in English language are having the same kind of pronunciation, only the spelling of those words are different. Hence, those words may confuse us at times. So today we are going to study about the same. Here the example is given. Here, that means at this place. And here, H-E-A-R here, that means to pursue a sound with ears. That means the things what we hear. PLAIN plain, that is simple and not complicated, and PLANE plane, that is an aeroplane, a vehicle in which we travel. The given below words is the list of the words that are often incorrectly used because of their similarity to other words. The list explains the meaning of this easily confused words. ACCEPT accept, that means to take willingly, and EXCEPT accept, that means excluding. Adapt, that means to adjust, and adopt, that means to accept as your own. Affect, that is to influence, and effect, that is to cause. Aid, that means to help given to someone, and aid, that means a person who helps other person in their job. Among, the preposition used for three or more people or things, and between is what we use when there are only two peoples. Besides, that means next to, and besides, that means also. BRAK brake, that is to stop the vehicle, and BREAK brake, that means to damage something. CANVAS canvas, that is a type of a thick cloth, and canvas, that means talk to some people to spread some idea. CITE site, that means to mention something as an example. SITE site, that is place or location, and SIGHT site, that is the ability to see something. The very next is complement, 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 to add something, to improve something, and compliment, that means to praise. See here, there is only the difference of a single letter in the spelling, but the meaning of this, both of them, is entirely different. Confirm, that means to make certain, and conform, that is to obey. Continual, that means repeated in breaks, and continuous, that means without stopping. Cooperation, that means working together, and corporation, that is a large company. Council, that means the group of people discussing an issue, and counsel, that means to advise or give advice. Custom, that is a cultural tradition, and costume, that is an outfit worn to show a particular theme. My dear students, rest of the meaning is what we already discussed during the class time. Now let's have a short and a quick revision of unit number 19, that is prepositions. A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun to show place, position, time, etc. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are the word or the group of words which helps to show the place, position and time of the noun. Examples are given here: in, on, at, by, according to, etc. are some examples of preposition. But remember, don't write this, in, on, at as an example of the preposition. You have to write compulsorily the full sentence. The example given below is the ball is in the box, which shows the place. So you can write the same as a part of your example if the definition appears in the test or in the semester exams. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. Prepare well for your unit test and all the best. Thank you.